So far guys, di tayo nakakuha ng mangga. So subukan natin talagang finalist na to para makuha na natin. UP13 24 packs. Dami-dami na to guys, oh. Dami. Dapat makuha natin ng energy para makuha natin ng mangga. Kaya natin ganyan. Display natin. Yan. Okay. Ito na. First pack. Bilisan natin. Pag walang di patagad. Okay. Start with Sunny. Okay. Okay. And we have, nakalimutan ko na to. Sige. That's what the first one we have. Second pack. Japanese kasi guys eh. We have Dadan. Okay, so far okay naman. I hope we hit a manga this time. Ito na, hinintay natin. Ito na. Ito na. Still no color guys. Okay. Still no color. Okay. Still no color. Same pa rin ngayon. Ganda ni bawahan ka. Ganda. Okay. First color natin. Parang hindi naman. Tingnan natin. Subukan natin. Tingnan. It's really a good one. O base lang. Ano pa lang din siya, events card lang din siya. Anyway, wala pa. Naka-4 na tayo. Pang-5. Pag in-open ko ba ng ganito, mas madali, mas mahirap. Kaya mas maganda mag-scissor tayo. Still no color guys. Still no color. Ito, color, first color natin. Uy, Sir Roger na naman. Pangalawa. May ganito na rin ako. Slow start's better. Mas maganda yan. Magpainit muna tayo. Ayun na, our first colored card. Ito na. I hope we get a better card. Let's focus. Okay, Vegapunk. Tupi. Kapatid ni Bawa Hancock. Okay, and our first color card will be SR lang to. Uy, 10,000. Parang si Ana naman to. Daughter ni Kuma. Si Bonnie na naman yata to. Oo nga. Same. I got this one on the last Look at this guys. Ang kulit ng card ni Bonnie. Ang sexy. Look at that card guys. Nakabuka ka si Bonnie. Let's put a sleeve to Bonnie. Bonnie, our first hit. Okay. Bonnie, better than nothing. Okay na. At least we have good foil. Rare lang yata yan. Wala kasi akong salamin. Hindi ko mabasa eh. Gan, kunin mo yung ko. Wag na. Okay na yan. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, we have another colored card guys. Ito na. Let's see. If we're going to hit a manga, do you think? No, it's not a manga again. But the power is 12,000. Wow. I think this might be Roger. Roger or Luffy. Or better than... Wow, nice. We hit Whitebeard, oh. Nice. Very angry Whitebeard. Tapang. It's a good card, huh? Nice. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Whitebeard. Nice. I like this card. 12,000 powers, Whitebeard. Ganda. Nice, nice, perfect. Perfect. Nice. Here. Maganda na guys, umiinit na, umiinit na. Ano yata si Whitebeard? SEC or SR lang? Hindi ko mabasa guys eh. Wala akong salamin. Natin kung may color, walang color. Madali na natin yan. Okay, gaban. So si Boney, madali lang makuha pala, ibig sabihin. Okay. Ang events natin ang 3 ano, ang makapal-kapal pa to. Sana makamangga ako. We have a color card. Meron tayong leader. Leader lang to guys. We have, I think ace, Luffy, nice. Leader card na Luffy. Itong Gorosei na ano. Like Luffy. Let's put Luffy with a sleeve. I like Luffy. Kahit leader lang yan. We're collecting cards guys. We're not playing the game. Let's put Luffy here. Okay. Pops with Luffy. Should be ace with Luffy. With Pops. Ayusin lang natin. Yan. So it's neatly placed. Yan. Japanese. 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 Japan. Oh, we have a red. Pag red, ano ibig sabihin pag red? Hindi ko napansin yun na. May mga red talaga. Wala. Okay, mga red. Pag red, yung mga leader cards. Okay. Hindi ko alam guys ha. We have Sabo. Red pala siya. Red din si Luffy. Okay. Hindi ko alam yun. Red pala. Yung red back pala itong mga ganito guys. Mga leader card red. Let's put it there. Oh, we have a colored card again. Ito na, pinakihintay natin. Another colored card. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ay, meron pa isa. Teka lang. Okay. Ilan ang power output niya? 9,000 lang. So, pag mga ganyan sila, ano lang yan. Sila, pangkaraniwan na sila. Oh, silver Rayleigh lang pala. Oh. Pero pwede na. Pwede na. Rayleigh yan eh. Nice, nice, nice. So far, it's okay. Not so good, not so bad, but still okay. We have Pops already. Sa likod na si Rayleigh. Kasi mas ano si Pops. Kita ba sila? Okay, let's continue. Straw Hat. We got Luffy's hair. Straw niya pala, straw hat na. May red? Wala. Let's see. Ano lang to. Oh, si Luffy na naman. Nice. Anong pangalan ng ano niya? Roger? Si Goldie Roger? Barco? Do we have something special on this one? Yep, we do have. Okay, let's see. Ito na yata ang hits natin, guys. Let's see. Tignan natin. Oo nga, gold siya. Ito na, pinakahihintay natin. Sino kaya to? Oh, nice. We got Sabo. Last time we have Ace, now we have Sabo. Now we're waiting for Luffy to have para kumpleto na tayo. Ganda, guys, oh. Look at that card, oh. Ganda. Let's put Pops together with Sabo. Oh, diba? Oh. Jeng. Then later we'll put together with, tingnan natin si Ace. Teka lang. Where are you, Ace? Ito. Para ano sila? Oh, diba? Brothers. Ace and Sabo together. Nice. Like it. Ito na yata hit na sa box na to, guys. I like this one. Nice. Let's put it here. Yan. Pinaka-hit natin dyan. Ito pa. Meron na namang hits dito, guys. For sure. Meron na naman. Okay, tignan natin. Wala pa tayong manga. Pag ganyan din na ba? 12,000. Roger. Nice. 5 elders, oh. Black. Nice, I like this one. Ito yung 5 elders, guys, oh. Kalaban. Tawag dito. Characters. Special card ba to? I don't know. It's nice, oh. Ganda. Nice. But not nice as the one we got with Ace. Oh. So far we got these 4 actually. Nice. Let's put there. Of course, Luffy will be in the front always. Yeah. So far so good. Marami pang packs. May chance pa tayo maka manga kung ibibigay ng ano. Ayun na, matching na si madam. Baka maka ano na tayo. Wala. Ano lang to. Base. Okay. Another base Luffy, and we have this guy, forgot his name. Ilan na lang to, 6. Pangalay, I think this is the one. Mahirap magpabukas, eh. Do we have one? No, we don't have one. Nice, I like this one. Shanks. Bitin pa tayo, ilan pa to? 5. This is it. Kailangan isa dito na lumabas. Uy, meron nga. Hindi, ano lang siya. Events card lang. Kasi ano lang. Ito, susunod yan. Ito na yan. Ito na ang Ultra Hit Pack. Ultra Hit Pack is coming. It's on the way. Yan na. Sinasabi ko. Wala. Base na naman. I have another red pack. Si Bonnie. Last 3. Are we getting one more hit? Are we? No. Wala dito. Last two. Last two. Pagsabayin natin. Pagsamahin na natin, guys. Para madali. Sige na, tanangan mo na. Binuksan ko lang. Parang wala dito. Wala talaga. Silo. Last one. Lupi. Leader card lang. Okay na. Leader si Ace lang. Ace and Lupi. And we have Sanji again. Not bad. It's okay. So, ito lang. Kuha natin. But still, it's okay. It's good. We have these two guys. Whitebeard. Okay na. Bonnie. Thank you for watching.